Now, the next couple of items I'd like to cover are a combination of thimbles and needle threaders. Um, these are generally for the larger kids. If you notice on my smaller, on my everyday carry one, I didn't have room for a thimble. Um, I did want to point out the hemostat I've got is really just to kind of show you the angle of this particular type. But in some cases, they can come handy. They can come in handy as a needle puller too. Um, the one, my latest favorite as far as the thimble goes, is this. It's just a leather band, but I like to take and slip a penny behind it. Which, let me show you a little bit. Take this, slide the penny behind it. Now you've got a way to push the needle through heavy material, canvas, leather, whatever, and really does do a great job of protecting your finger. Needle threaders, I actually keep some of these in my fishing kit for those tiny hooks that I use to catch fish that are either smaller that I want to use for bait or maybe make a small meal, or the eyes of fly needles are sometimes very tiny. You've got a couple types. This type here, which is the standard, probably fairly well recognized. This guy here, a little harder to see. I hope you can see it okay. But it's a plastic kind of thing. You could put that. I could put it in my everyday carry kit, but at this point, I just chose not to. But like I say, for between fishing and sewing, they come in very handy. In some cases, you're going to want to have to. Well, you may have no choice but to sew shoes, or either improvise footwear, sew heavy canvas. So things like this really do become a factor in trying to get that work done.